Disney Moana. Me, Maui. This is Maui. He is a shape-shifting demigod with a magical fishhook. Many, many years ago, Maui did something he shouldn't have. He stole the heart of Te Fiti, the mother island, and then he lost the heart and his fishhook. After that, a darkness began spreading over the world. Moana is from the island of Montanui. The ocean gave Moana the heart of Te Fiti so she can make things better. When Moana was a teenager, she found Maui. Maui didn't want to help. He took Moana's canoe and sailed away. Before long, the ocean swooped Moana up and placed her in the canoe. If you put the heart back and save the world, you'd be everyone's hero, Moana told Maui. He liked the sound of that, but first, he needed his fishhook. Maui used his expert wayfinding skills to sail their canoe away from a crowd of tiny coconut-armored bandits, all the way to Laulotai, the realm of monsters. Maui's fishhook was stuck on the shell of a 50-foot crab monster who collected shiny objects. Working together, Maui and Moana got the fishhook without being eaten or crushed. At first, Maui had trouble using his magical fishhook because he had lost his confidence. He shape-shifted into a bug and a pig without meaning to. After a heart-to-heart talk with Moana, Maui kept practicing. Soon, all his skills were back. Maui shape-shifted into a hawk and bravely flew toward Te Ka, an enormous monster of lava and ash. He had to get past Te Ka to reach Te Fiti and restore her heart. Go save the world, Moana cheered. But Maui was knocked right out of the sky. The two friends didn't give up. Maui used his fishhook to block Te Fa's fiery fist as Moana sailed past to reach Te Fiti. But Te Fiti was gone, and Moana realized she needed to give the heart to Te Ka. Maui watched proudly as Moana placed the heart in Te Ka's glowing spiral. Te Ka transformed back into Te Fiti. The islands were saved. Maui and Moana were heroes. They will be friends forever.